You all know that logo. I am in the workshop today trying to handle things with one hand, because in this hand I have yet another Ruroc helmet. As you can see, I like Ruroc. I have got this. You know what, let's get some more light in here. This isn't cutting it. Much better. That is now illuminated, and I have. But we're not going to talk too much about that, but this is a new 21 plate GT650 twin that I've got in here. This is completely stock, not like the other one, the yellow one. This is completely stock, as you can see. But we're not here to talk about that. We are here to talk about Batman. Yeah, I'm kind of seeing the 1989 Batman, because that ultimately has Michael Keaton in. I am really reserving judgment about how Robert Pattinson is going to perform, because nobody thought Heath Ledger was going to be a good Joker. So let's keep an open mind about Robert. But here we have it. Atlas 3.0 by Ruroc. A DC collab. So this is official DC. I especially love how it is the 89 logo on here. That is gorgeous. And as you know, the Atlas 3.0 has that little bit nicer user experience. And I know exactly what's in here because I have seen the drawings and everything, but I've not seen this helmet for real life. So, Atlas 3.0. You know, I am actually quite excited about this because it isn't my kind of normal everyday wear style helmet that I'd go for, but the reason I love this helmet is because it is a limited edition and it is a collector's edition as well, more to the point. But this is definitely something that I am going to keep. Let's get this box out of the way. Wow, that is incredible. Now, I've asked the guys to slap on a tinted visor, and they've also taken the label off for me because I wanted that unboxing experience to not be impaired by the label that you've got to peel off and everything like that. That is incredible. The detail on that, I mean, it is scary as anything. It feels a bit Jack Nicholson-like with those glasses, only because you've seen so many pictures of Jack Nicholson with glasses, and obviously Jack Nicholson being the Joker from the 89 one. That is incredible. Atlas 3.0 in a Joker. This, as you can see, is very different to the other. Apart from the liquid carbon, which was obviously high gloss, this is a gloss cover over these, which is very different to the other helmets that I've got. They're always usually a matte finish, and I do like the matte finish, but this being a gloss kind of makes sense. It is gorgeous. I mean, the illustration on it is stunning. This is an absolute collector's edition. That is something that you want to kind of put up and say, yeah, I was there when Ruroc did that. As you've got all this detail at the side, there's kind of a mishmash between the ears of the Joker, but I quite like that. I mean, obviously that is unlike any other Joker that's been in any film, but obviously then you've got the green hair, bit of Jack Nicholson's hairline there, and that green. I just love the detail in the hair. That's just stunning. And then obviously you've got this ha 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 on the back, which kind of makes me think a bit of Jared Leto's Joker. Not my favourite, but I really do like this style. And the way that kind of breaks into the white and comes out the purple, the black. Holy moly, I love this. I mean, I could go on to talk about the other features that Ruroc has. The fact that it's one of the widest Aperture helmets that you can get. Complete field of vision. Very safe, very light, carbon fibre. And obviously being the version 3.0, if you check out my last video on the version 3.0, on the benefits of that, different shell sizes, improved lining on the inside, everything done in-house in Ruroc rather than being done outside, so obviously the quality control is a lot stricter. It's quieter than the 2.0 as well. I mean, I could go to say all that. Why don't I just go outside on this Royal Enfield and see what kind of looks I get, because this is unlike any other helmet I've got. Actually, no, hang on. This needs more atmosphere. This definitely needs more atmosphere. To do this cinematic any justice, I need to get a smoke machine in here. And I've got one. Yes, honestly, I think I've gone a bit OTT on this. I cannot see anything. I cannot see anything much. So I don't know if you can see me. Best thing I can do, take this bike out, take this out. So that was my ride, and this helmet definitely gets heads turning, absolutely. And as a limited edition collector's piece, a collab between Ruroc and DC Comics, this is going to fly off the shelf. So this is out on the 20th, which is this Friday. Go ahead to the Ruroc site. That is all for me. This Friday's video will be the Ducati Monsters, the headlight fairing, the carbon fiber headlight fairing for that. So tune in for that. But until Friday's video, go over to Ruroc.